What's the meaning of compress? Compress. Compress.
Compress. Compress. Compress means to reduce the size or volume of something, typically by applying pressure or using a compression algorithm. The result of compression is a smaller, more compact version of the original object or data, which takes up less space and can be transmitted or stored more efficiently. Compression is commonly used in digital media to reduce file sizes without losing quality, and in industries such as manufacturing and transportation to reduce the physical size of objects for storage or transport purposes.